The 2025 Proton Saga has finally arrived, and it's creating waves in the automotive world with its refined performance, stylish upgrades, and most notably, its dramatically improved shock absorption system. Proton, known for delivering value-packed sedans at affordable prices, has elevated the Saga to a new level this year, proving that comfort, ride quality, and reliability can come together seamlessly in an entry-level sedan. The biggest surprise: the all-new shock setup that redefines the driving experience. One of the standout elements in the 2025 Proton Saga is its completely re-engineered suspension. Proton has fitted the latest Saga with enhanced hydraulic shock absorbers that provide an unexpectedly smooth and stable ride across all types of road surfaces. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or cruising on rougher terrain, the vehicle absorbs bumps and imperfections with a confidence that's unheard of in its segment. Drivers will immediately notice the reduced cabin vibration and improved handling, which collectively bring a sense of refinement usually reserved for pricier sedans. What makes the new shock setup even more impressive is how it enhances passenger comfort without compromising on performance. The balance between softness and stiffness is perfectly calibrated, providing a planted feel on highways while maintaining maneuverability in tight city spaces. Proton engineers have put in countless hours of tuning and testing to ensure the suspension system responds intelligently to various driving scenarios. The car now glides over speed bumps and potholes in a way that previous Saga owners would not have imagined possible. Another exciting feature is the integration of noise, vibration, and harshness NVH damping improvements. These enhancements work hand in hand with the suspension to make the 2025 Saga quieter and more serene inside. Even at higher speeds or during rainy conditions, the car maintains a calm atmosphere that passengers will appreciate on longer journeys. Under the hood, the Proton Saga retains its reliable 1.3-liter 4-cylinder engine, mated to either a 5-speed manual or a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. While performance isn't the main selling point, the car offers sufficient power for daily commuting and occasional highway trips. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. Design-wise, the 2025 Saga introduces minor but tasteful updates to the exterior. The front grille has been refreshed for a more modern appearance, and the LED lighting elements add a premium touch. Inside, the cabin now features improved materials, better seat cushioning, and enhanced ergonomics. The infotainment system has also been updated with improved connectivity and a user-friendly interface, ensuring drivers stay connected without distraction. Safety has not been overlooked either. The new Saga includes advanced safety features such as electronic stability control, ABS with EBD, front and rear parking sensors, and dual airbags as standard. These features, combined with the car's steady build and responsive brakes, provide peace of mind for families and daily commuters alike. In short, the 2025 Proton Saga is no longer just a budget option, it's a serious contender in the compact sedan market. With its surprisingly effective new shocks, refined ride quality, and enhanced overall design, Proton has raised the bar without raising the price. This is not just a facelift or a minor refresh, it's a complete evolution of a car that continues to serve its loyal fan base while attracting new admirers with every mile.